I'm Seann McWhorter, Agency Principal of Insure Right Insurance Agency located in Lehi, Utah. We're here to talk about the ins and outs of insurance. Today we're going to talk about how to become an insurance agency. Just a little background that you may want to, most companies that are looking for insurance agencies or agents don't necessarily require a college degree, but it is highly recommended that you do have at least a bachelor's degree. And really doesn't matter what that degree is in, but a bachelor's degree is helpful. Some of the personality traits may help you in this profession is you need to be willing to go out and meet and talk to people, because in all reality you are a professional, but you're also a salesman, and you need to have the ability to talk with people and interact well with people. In becoming an insurance agent, there are several different tracks that you can take. One of the easiest and most common tracks people take is to apply to be an agent with what is called in the industry a direct writer company, or an exclusive company, or a captive agency, such as State Farm Insurance or Allstate Insurance or Farmers, and there are many other companies that do that. The benefits to starting your career as an insurance agent with one of these types of companies is they provide a great deal of training. They do offer subsidized compensation packages in your early years. The way an insurance agent gets paid is a commission based on the premiums that are gathered on the insurance policies that are sold. And as your book of clientele increases, then obviously your income level will increase. So in the early years it can be difficult to get established as an insurance agent, because you don't make a tremendous amount of money off of each individual policy up front. Over time though, however, you will accumulate a large clientele, and your incomes will increase. Working with a captive company, you do get additional, usually really good training, the enhanced compensation plans in the early years. But there are some drawbacks to working as a captive agent, because you are tied to just that one company, and you're limited to what that company is able to do. One of the other avenues that you can take to become an insurance agent is to go to work for an independent insurance agent. An independent insurance agent is someone who does not necessarily represent just one carrier, but represents multiple carriers and multiple types of insurance. Some of the advantages of working with an independent insurance agent is that you are not tied into any one company. You can actually match the company, go out and look for a company that matches the clients that you have. Some of the downsides to it is that there are not usually any subsidy available to you to help you get started, and so you really have to know what you're doing. There's not as much training provided. There's a lot more hands-on. It's more of a hands-on learning experience.